Hello, I'm Jimuel Perez Andakit from Best IT 3B. So, gagawin natin ngayon is create a video presentation on how different devices communicate each other and devices communication with each other through various methods and protocols depending on their type and purpose. Here are some ways they interact. Wired communication, Ethernet, a common technology for local area network or LANs that use cables to connect devices, and USB used for connecting peripherals like keyboards and printers to computers. And then the wireless communication like Wi-Fi allows device to connect to local network without cables, often used for Ethernet access. Bluetooth, short range communication for connecting devices like headphones, speaker, and smartphones. So here are the example of um, wired communication. First, maglalagay tayo ng router and then switch. Switch and then devices. Maglagay tayo ng PC, laptop, and server. So yan, ayusin na lang natin. Kukonek lang natin siya sa switch. So yun, and then punta tayo sa my PC, desktop, IP config. Then palitan lang natin tong, maglagay lang tayo ng IP address niya. 192.168.1.2. Copy, and then sa my gateway lagay natin is 1. Then dito naman punta tayo sa desktop, IP config. Sa may gateway lagay natin tong, dapat same yung gateway nitong PC and then yung server. Tapos dito is palitan lang natin to ng 3. Then same din dito. Gawin natin is 4, and then sa gateway is same lang na 1. Then dito naman sa kabila is maglalagay tayo ng IP 192.168.2.2. Then sa gateway is lalagay din natin siya. Gagawin natin siyang 1. Three. Okay, yun, and then punta tayo rito sa may router. Config is ilalagay natin yung kung ano yung nandito sa may PC ay sa may switch 2. 192.168.1.1 and then on, and then Ethernet 1, lalagay natin yung isa 2.1, then on, so antayin na lang natin siyang mag-connect. Antayin natin siyang mag-green ito, tapos tsaka natin siya itatry kung mag-message na siya. Okay, nag-green na siya, then try natin. Okay, nag-fail. Ulitin natin kasi nagko-connect pa siya. Yun, successful na siya. Try natin sa iba. Try natin ulit. Okay, successful. Sa una is nag-error pa siya, pero pag try na ulit successful na siya. Okay, successful. Yun lang po, ma'am, and thank you po.